Hey, what is going on, my good people? This is KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and I appreciate you guys pulling up for today's video. So today, I got something on the spinners for y'all. What I mean by that is, y'all, hey, look back there. Look. Y'all see that right there? I got them things spinning. So you know what that means? Yes, sir. Your boy got him. I finally caught a W on the sneakers app. Hey, let's open up this package. Let's do it.
No synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
Of course, before we get up into this unboxing, gotta take care of the normal stuff that we have to do. A little bit of business, you feel what I'm saying? If it's your first time tapping into my channel, I appreciate it. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop any video. Head over to IG and Twitter and follow your boy at KICKnology on IG and Twitter. Now that all that's out of the way, let me go ahead and do something real quick before I open up this package. I want to continue to support brands and stuff like that. So man, if you're watching this video and you have t-shirts, clothing line or something like that, hey, holla at your boy, connect with me on IG. I would definitely cop something to continue to support brands. This is the God is Dope tee. And also today I want to open up this package I got from Cuzzo, my dog Cuzzo. His link will be down in my description section. So very dope packaging, as you guys can see right here. We got the Cuzzo logo, the bear here, and then we got that Cuzzo font and cursive font on there. And the website is CuzzoClothing.com. So I'm going to open up this package. So yes, sir, as you guys can see right here, it comes with this nice little card right here. And then I got a little 15% off for purchasing something. But I did get that bear logo tee. We got that Cuzzo, as you guys can see right here. It's the logo. But let me show you guys something real quick. This logo is like, it's thick. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no screen press or printed on. This is pretty much a patch. As you guys can see right here, it is very thick on this shirt. Very good quality, real good quality tee. We got the tagless tee right here with the Cuzzo print. So yeah, man, I will be rocking this and throwing this on with the fit on my IG. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all are connected with me on my social media accounts. So yeah, man, appreciate you, Cuzzo, for this shirt. And let's go ahead and get off into this unboxing. So first and foremost, you guys know that I am not a big dunk person. This is not a big dunk channel. But whenever I do like a dunk, I do go for it. And I also ask people to go for it for me, because I don't have any luck on the sneakers app. Salute to my older brother. He was the one that actually healing these shoes for me. So my account is still very anorexic. It is not hitting on anything, you feel me? So I'm in the same boat as you guys. But hey, God showed him favor. The sneaker God showed him favor, and he was able to heal these things. So I appreciate you, bro. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. So anytime you get a W, I got them from sneakers, you get excited. The reviews hits a little bit different. You feel me? So as you guys can see right here, we got the Nike SB box right here, the multicolor box. This right here, we got a size 12. As you guys can see right here, if that thing gonna focus. Hold on, let me see. There we go. We got size 12, and the colorway is Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Lagoon Pulse Metallic Silver. The retail was $110 on them things. All right, so let's go and open this up together. Woo! Let's see. Boom, 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 pow, bam. Ooh-wee. Let me see. Let me go ahead and take this thing out. Today we will be reviewing and getting up close and personal with the Nike SB Dunk Low FTC collaboration in the Lagoon Pulse colorway.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing a fresh new brand, following their dreams. Faith, hard work, and dedication is the means. If they fresh out the box, then you...
As you guys can see right here, this shoe is very, very dope, and this was not intentional, but this matches my shirt to a T. You feel me? Look at this, man. Like, this is gonna definitely be a fit coming up pretty soon. But as we get up close and personal with these shoes, the thing about SB Dunks, the quality of them are crazy. So as you guys look at this sneaker right here, we have this checkerboard pattern right here. If I'm not mistaken, this is like tile. I think this has a concept of like a shower or a bath. I will be reading what exactly is the deal for them here in a second. But as you guys can see right here, we have that tile leather print all the way around the back end of the shoe. They replaced the Nike branding with the FTC logo for the San Francisco skate shop that did the collaboration with this sneaker. As you guys can see right here on the inside, we have this platinum silver Nike swoosh, and then we do have the two laces, no lace bag, just the rope laces hanging down. We do have the baby blue, and then we have the white laces. Yellow sock liner on this sneaker is like some Japanese writing in red, and then on this one it's in black. The toe box material on the toe box is extremely plush. Look at that, man. Very good material on the toe box. We have that icy blue translucent gum bottom on these things, and just a very well put together, quality is A1, very good sneaker in my opinion, man. Glad I was able to add this to the collection. We'll see what happens. Right now the resale is sitting right around $500 for these things, so you know, 110. Do I think they'll go up? Yeah, I think they're gonna go up, but I don't think it's gonna go up any more than 600, 650, depending on your size. So I mean, if it's something that you really want, hey, if you got the bread, by all means go ahead and cop them. But for me, if I wasn't gonna hit retail, these things wouldn't be here right now. I wouldn't be doing this review, and I'm just keeping it a buck with you guys. You feel what I'm saying? So as I told you guys, I really don't know much about the sneakers, but I will read exactly what it says. This sneaker was inspired by the Sento Japanese bathhouse. This shoe will feature white leather overlay styled as tiles. Like I said right here, as you guys can see right there, it looks like tiles. Water reminiscent vibrant blue suede bases and outsole, and tile-like texture underneath the tongue in the collar. San Francisco based skate shop, which is the FTC that you guys see on the back of this sneaker right there. So as I said, very dope shoe. I'm glad I was able to get my hand on it. You guys let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about this sneaker? Is it a must cop for you? Are you gonna pay resale for it? And yeah, man, that's all I got for you guys. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I am about to hit you guys with that on feet. I hope you enjoy these videos. Hey, hey, y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this sneaker right here, just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
God smile on the meantime, no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope. Run them all high, you don't smell no smoke. Run them all clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on the meantime, no joke. God's great for the brother that trying to get clean. Know that I'm alive, but it feel like a dream. Tell them I am when they tell me I ain't. Battle with sin, so I know that I'm a saint. Tell me I'm alive, what lie I told. Put me in the fire, came out like the beat, brother more, spitting for the